Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your MacBook Air. Since PUBG Mobile is designed for Android and iOS devices, the only direct method to play it on your Mac is by using an Android emulator. These programs create a virtual Android phone on your computer, letting you download and run the game just as you would on a mobile device. Emulators like BlueStacks Air and MacBook Player Pro are specifically optimized for Apple Silicon, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. 125. To get started, you'll need to choose a reliable Android emulator. BlueStacks Air and MacBook Player Pro are excellent choices, known for their compatibility and performance on Mac devices. 125. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator and download the installer file. The installation process is usually straightforward. Simply double-click the downloaded file and follow the prompts. You'll also need to sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store within the emulator. 2. Once your emulator is installed and running, open it up and find the Google Play Store icon. Search for PUBG Mobile and proceed with the installation, just like you would on an Android phone. 2. After the game is installed, launch it. You'll want to spend some time in the emulator settings to customize key mappings for your keyboard and mouse, ensuring comfortable and precise controls for movement, shooting, and inventory management. 8. For the best experience, optimize your emulator settings. Allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and a high number of CPU cores to the emulator if your Mac allows. 13. Adjust the display resolution to match your MacBook Air screen, and set the frame rate to 60 frames per second or higher for fluid gameplay. 13. Inside PUBG Mobile, choose smooth graphics and extreme frame rate settings. This combination typically provides the most stable and responsive performance, minimizing lag and maximizing your chances for that chicken dinner. 13.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.